Hello friends, in order to study the coordination compound, we must know how the coordination compounds are written. How the formula of the coordination compound is written. There are few rules. First, we have to write the complex ion in the square bracket, and then in case of the square bracket, we have to write the central metal ion and the ligand. First, we have to write the central metal ion followed by the ligand. But we know in case of ligand, there are three types of ligand: negative ligand, neutral ligand and positive ligand. In case of polyatomic ligand, polyatomic ligands are written in a parenthesis, and the number of ligands linked to the metal atom are indicated by putting its number as subscript. And we can see the example CuCl3 NH3 by 3. In case of this, Cl minus are 3 and ammonia ions are 3. So it is written as a subscript. And then the another main condition for the writing of the formula is that there should be no space in between the metal ion and ligands, and followed by the counter ion. There should be no space in between these ions and the ligand. But in some cases, we know in case of the if we take the example of the negative ligand, we know the sequence how the ligands are written: negative, then neutral, then positive. But imagine that in case of the negative ligand, more than one ligands are present, then the sequence is decided on the basis of the symbol of the ligand in alphabetical manner. If we take the three negative ligand, Br minus, Cl minus, I minus, then which ligand we have to write first, then the sequence is decided on the basis of the letter of the symbol of in alphabetical manner. Then B come first as compared to C and I, so we have to write the formula in this manner. Then CO, when we consider the complex containing these ligand, then this complex is triamine chloro bromo iodo cobalt 3. Then it is written like this: CO is the central metal ion, that is the metal ion is written first, followed by the ligand. In case of the ligand, we have to write the first negative ligand followed by the neutral ligand and then positive ligand if it is present. Then in this case, negative ligand, there are three ligand: Br minus, Cl minus, I minus. Then the sequence is decided in alphabetical manner. That means Br come first, then Cl, then I, followed by the neutral ligand NH3 by 3. In this way, the formula of this complex is written. But imagine that if the two symbols are same, if we are considering the negative ligand and the two symbols of the two ligands are same, then we can take the example of Cl minus and Cn minus. Both are negative ligand and both comes with the letter C, and in that case Cl come first and then followed by the Cn minus, and then another NO2, that is nitro, then chloro, cyano, then nitro, then amino. Then this is the sequence of the ligand, that is the negative followed by the neutral ligand, and the sequence of the negative ligand is arranged on the basis of the symbol of the ligand in alphabetical manner. C come first, then Cl, then Cn, and then nitro, then amino. The same sequence is considered for the neutral ligand and or positive ligand. But in some cases, in some ligand, it may be possible that the ligand may having a capacity to form the bond more than one atom. More than one atoms are present in the same ligand, and both these atoms are able to form the coordinate bond with the central metal ion. We can take the example of the NO2 ligand. In case of the NO2 ligand, it can form the bond with nitrogen along with the oxygen. So in that case we have to note first symbol of the atom of the ligand by which it is attached to the central metal ion. Then in case of this we can take the example of the NO2. It is also called as nitro, and when it is attached with the N, but when the NO2 is attached with the help of oxygen, then it is written as ONO. It is attached through the O, so it is written first O, then NO, and it is called as nitrito. The same type of case in another ligand SCN. It is called as thiocyanate. It is attached through S, and in some cases it may attach through the another atom of the same ligand, that is N. So it is written as NCS. It is also called as isothiocyanate. It gives idea about the atom which is attached to central metal atom. Then we can take the example of these ligand, the CO, Cl, Cn, NO2, NH3 by 3. In this case, NO2 is attached through nitrogen atom. In the second complex, CO, Cl, Cn, ONO and NH3 by 3. Then ONO indicates that this NO2 is attached to the central metal atom ion by using O. But in some cases there may be presence of the complicated ligand or complicated organic ligand, and in that case of complicated organic ligand generally the abbreviations are used. For example, ethylene diamine, EN abbreviation is used. In case of pyridine, PY is used. In case of ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, EDTA is used. These abbreviations are used in writing the formula of the complex, and again the order is decided in the same manner on the basis of alphabetical order of the first symbol of the formula and not the name of that compound. Then COCl2, that is Cl, chloro is a negative ligand, so it is followed by the neutral ligand ethylene diamine. Then E is considered, C comes first, then E, so the formula is COCl2 En by 2 2 plus. Then in some cases it is necessary to write the oxidation number of central metal ion. In that case, it is written as a superscript in Roman letter on the central metal ion. In case of the coordination sphere, if we have to write the charge, then it is written as a superscript after the coordination sphere, and before the charge we have to write the number. In this way we can represent the coordination sphere. Thank you all.